a few reports after we have done import all the data. So the first report we're going to view is under government report. So we minimize payroll management, we go to report. So under this report we have government report, management report, employee report. So we want to view, for the first one is government report. Select government report and then we select for EPF report. So under this EPF report, if you click the drop down button, you will see a few reports you can view under this EPF report. So the one that we want to view is monthly EPF listing. And then it will automatically fill in with the March, since we already imported all the Y3D transaction from January until March. You can filter by department, by employee, or employee types, or by branch. So once we're done, we just click on preview. So as you can see, this is the report of monthly EPF listing. So you will see the EPF contribution for Tom Cruise, Cindy Lauder, Apa-Apa Boleh, Iron Man and Wolverine. So this is the employee EPF contribution, and this is the employer EPF contribution for each employee. So once we're done, close for the EPF monthly listing. Now we go to, for the buy period, for the buy period, you can select from January until March. Click on preview again, because just now the monthly listing review is only on the month of March. So if you put the months you want to view for the monthly listing is from January until March, you will see the first one is on January. If you click the arrow right, you will see this one is under February and the last one is under March. Now close EPF monthly listing. Let's view the next report, which is SOTSO report. Still under report, government report, we select SOTSO report. Under this SOTSO report, we will view also monthly SOTSO listing. So we select monthly SOTSO listing. For the buy period, we select from January after you change to January to March, then click on preview. And you can see for the SOTSO contribution schedule for January, contribution for Tom Cruise for SOTSO is 19 ringgit and employer contribution is 69 ringgit. So total is 88 ringgit 80 cent for Tom Cruise. And then you can view for Cindy Lauder, Apa-Apa Boleh, Iron Man and Wolverine for January. Then you click the next button to see or to view on February, also the same amount. And then next on March, also the same amount. Close for SOTSO monthly listing. The next one we're going to view is under income tax report, monthly PCB listing. So we click on income tax report and we select for monthly PCB listing. Also the same, we check for buy period and we see from January, click until March and click on preview. And this is the monthly PCB calculation for January until March for 2 employee only, which is Tom Cruise and Apa-Apa Boleh. Because another 3 employee, their salary is not because another 3 employee, their salary don't need to deduct or contribute for the tax or PCB contribution. So this one is for January, and then February, and then March. So total is 544 ringgit and 20 cent for 2 employee. Now close this tax deduction schedule, and then the next one we want to view is HRDF report. HRDF report still under government report, and then we select HRDF report. Under this HRDF report, we want to view for HRDF report, and then we check for by period. For the period, we enter January until March. So this is the HRD levy listing. So the total HRD levy for January is 699 ringgit. For February is also the same amount, and then for March. Close levy listing. Now let's view the last one is employee detail report. Under employee report, so this one we minimize. For government report, we go to employee report. Under this employee report, we will see employee detail report. For filter, we don't need to filter anything, we just click on preview. So this is the employee detail report by detail. So we have Tom Cruise, the detail, employment detail, statutory requirement. So this is all the one that we already imported from the Excel template, or the one that we created in the employee maintenance. You can see one by one. The second one for Cindy Lauder, Apa Pun Boleh, Iron Man, Wolverine, and also Sweet Ginger. Now close for the detail report, we go to the summary report. So click the drop down button and select employee summary report and click on preview. And for the employee summary report, this is the summary for all 5 employees. So Iron Man, age service period is active, 1 year 9 months. So you can view one by one. The bank account number, the gender, the branch, date of birth, everything is under this employee summary report. So once you done view the employee summary report, you may close the employee summary report. So we have done view all the